when you get a number pattern like this one, and here they've given you a quadratic pattern. So what you need to do first, you need to read the question. The question is saying give the quadratic sequence, or given the quadratic sequence, which is 5x, y, and 29, and they say and each second constant difference is equals to 4. Now they say calculate the value of x and y. So what you need to do here, ne, you need to follow the procedure which you what the steps which you do when you solving a quadratic equation. Let's take for an example a quadratic pattern. That is, let's take for an example when you want to determine the formula. What do? You first determine your first difference, and then determine your second difference, and then get um, your what and then get your second difference, and then from there on there are certain equations which you're supposed to use. Okay, let me show you. Now get the first difference. After this, now what you will do is you'll get your second what? You'll get your second difference. Your second difference, you'll get it through this way. It means here you'll have what? Y minus x minus x minus 5, and then you'll have 29 minus y minus y minus an x. Simplifying this will just give you y minus 2x plus what? Plus a 5. And then you'll have 29 minus 2y plus an x. So this now is your second what? Is your second difference. Do you see that? So now if you are to go what do you call this thing? I think they told you that the second difference is equivalent to what? To 4. So what you need to do now, you need to say what you got here, which is y minus 2x plus a 5. You need to first say y minus 2x and then plus what? Plus a 5. Now you can treat okay, is equals to a 4. It means you will say y minus 2x. Now you'll have what? Plus a 1 is equals to a 0. Do you see that? So this will be like what? This will be like equation 1. And then now you come to this second one, this one which is saying 29. So you will say 29 minus 2y and then plus an x is equals to a 4. So this just means you'll have what? This will say x minus 2y, and then you will have what? Let me see, 29 minus a 4. This will just give you plus 20 what? Plus 25 is equals to what? Is equals to a 0. This now will be equation, this will be equation 2. So once you have this now, let me just try to squeeze this thing here. So once you have something like this here, uh, you need to solve these things simultaneously, because like if you check here, you've got x and what? You've got an x and a y. So now what I can say is um let's remove what? Let's consider maybe which one? Either one. We can here you're having 2x, here you're having a 2y. So what we can do here, we can just multiply the whole equation maybe by what? So that you can have 2x. Yeah, let's multiply the equation by a 2. Ne? Multiply maybe equation what? Let me check. Equation 1 or equation 2 by what? By 2. It doesn't matter. So Multiplying equation 1 by 2, I'll write here 1 multiplied by 2. It means here it will give you what? It will give you 2y and then minus a 4x and then plus a 2 is equals to a 0. Now, once after you have done that, you place equation 2 here. This will be minus 2y, and then this will just be plus an x and then plus 25 is equals to a 0. So it means you have got the following. So you can just add equation 1 and equation, because this is still equation 1, this is still equation 2. So what you can do here, you can just add these two equations. So adding these two equations, it just means you will have adding 2y minus a 2y. This will just give you what? Let me place it like this. This will give you a 0. Adding these two will give you a minus 3 what x. Adding these two, you'll just get plus 20 what 27 is equals to a 0. Now you'll have 3x is equals to negative 20 what 27. Now x will be equals to what? 20 negative 27 divided by negative 3. X is equals to what now? It, yeah, it means it will be 9 now. If this is a 9 now, let's determine y. So determining y, we can come either in any equation here. Let's just use this one, which is here. You'll say y minus 2, where there is an x, you place a 9 plus a 1 is equals to a 0. What do you get your y as here? It will be minus 2 multiplied by 9 plus a 1. It will give you what? It will give you negative 17, which becomes, yeah, and then that's it.